Hey, hi everyone. So I'm 𝗂𝗃𝗃, and in this video, we'll be talking about the Elementor's V4 uh, editor, right? Which is the new editor that Elementor is coming up. Currently, it is in the alpha stage, and you can, if you want more details about the Elementor editor's V4 editor, you will have to take a look at this particular link, elementor.com/editor-v4. Right now, once you come to this page, you'll be able to see the introductions, what are the features and etc. So you can do precision build, elevated designs, and streamlined workflows. It is faster than before. Yes, for sure. I can definitely say that. I have tried it on a particular website using the Elementor's V4 editor, and it is super fast. The number of changes, what you can do is super easy. So if you are an agency or a freelancer who has a couple of clients who keeps asking you to do changes, then Elementor's V4 editor will be much more easier to make all those kinds of changes, and it affects globally as well for the entire site. So it is much more faster rather than going to each and every different pages, right? And you can see the DNA of modern web design. So it has a couple of atomic components where you can build widgets from reusable components, etc., etc. Currently, since it's in the alpha stage, there are less number of atomic elements, say like headings, buttons, images, and so on. But moving ahead, I'm guessing that it will more number of atomic elements will come in. Now, you can create some professional designs and everything. And most of the things are CSS first design system. So there is something called as class-based things where you can create such kind of classes like primary CTA, secondary CTA. These are the different class names what you can create. And you can assign the different settings, the styling settings, the size, the typographies, the background colors, all according to those different class-based things. Right now, if you scroll down, you can see something similar where you can also have the different variables. You can create different classes, and there are different states as well. States as in you can control the normal mode, the hover mode, the active mode using just one particular class. And it is amazing to work around, and it also affects globally, like I said. So it is much more easier to work. One style tab, infinite capabilities, you can see this. So currently in the versions V2, V3, and all, you have three different tabs under the editor, right? The Elementor editor, that is the content, style, and advanced tab. So moving ahead, there will be just kind of a content and a style tab. And most of the things are coming under style tab as of now. And you can see all these layouts, spacing, size, positions, typography, background, border effects, controlling globally for all the different elements at one place. So it makes it much more streamlined for everyone to work around, right? And yes, it's a fully responsive design. You can also have different settings for the desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. So it's amazing to see how Elementor is coming up. I have been using Elementor from last 8 years and built close to 300, 350 websites in these last 8 years. And I can definitely see some amazing work going on with Elementor. So now let me just quickly show you what is possible. So this is just a test website, what I've done, and just to check out the V4 features, effects, how it works and everything. And currently just using the V4 elements. What are the new elements? What are the atomic elements? What Elementor has given at this alpha stage. So this website, this particular test page is done just by using those. And a quick caution is those who are about to try the V4 editor, please try it on a staging website or a test website. Don't try it on a live or a production website. Okay, so you can check it over here, V4 jmlink.in. So I put the link in the description as well. So if at all you want to take a look at this particular design, you can take a look at it as well. And what you can see over here is on the top bar, we have a logo and a button. Both are using the atomic elements. One is the image and one is the button. Both are super. And the first section, the hero section, is like a heading, description or paragraph, and two buttons. Again, I've used class-based systems to control these different buttons like a primary CTA, secondary CTA and everything. So if I make changes to those primary CTA settings, it will affect globally for all the buttons. Or if I make changes to the secondary CTA class, in terms of styling, in terms of typography, it will affect all the secondary buttons wherever I've tagged. So that's how this is thing. The next is all about the logos, just to showcase the different clients or some trust logos and everything. I've used like a dummy version just to see how it works and how it turns out with the Elementor v4 editor, and especially the alpha version. And scrolling down, you can see you have an About Us section where you can see a title, a paragraph, and a button. Again, these are the elements what is currently available with uh, the atomic elements, and that is why I have limited myself to use these elements only or widgets only, right? And scrolling down, we also have the new video widget in the atomic elements. You can take a look at that. You have more control on it. And then just to showcase, I've used or shown 3 different columns kind of a thing, a card kind of a layout just to get around, and a footer just to end kind of a thing. So this was just a test kind of a website I've done. On the right, you also have that WhatsApp icon just to showcase that it sticks around at a particular position. And that's how this particular thing is done. And this entire page is purely built on the Elementor v4 editor, and especially the alpha version. So waiting for more features to try it out. As soon as more features is brought in, I'll be trying out this particular, all the new features in this particular page itself. So looking forward. So if you have some questions around this particular landing page or how this is built, let me know in the comments and I'll be able to help you out. If you are new to this particular channel, do subscribe on this particular channel. I'll be coming up with more videos around v4 editor as soon as more number of features comes in. So for every feature, I'm planning to do a video. If you like this kind of a style of video, let me know in the comments. That will motivate me to go ahead and create such kind of videos, informative videos around v4 editor. So let me know. Thank you. Bye and see you.